Today we're driving from Stockton out to the foothills on the west of the Central Valley. Scenic Stockton, California. So we have left the urban area and now we are in farmland. All of this used to be grassland and it's been converted for agricultural use. Wetlands. So this is a pretty cool thing that we don't see a ton of in California anymore, since most wetlands have been converted for other uses in the state. So this is the Los Banos Wetlands area. So you can see some water over there. There are some little ducks in it. And really typical in wetlands are just lots and lots of diverse species. Wetlands tend to be seasonal, so that means sometimes of the year they're pretty dry, sometimes they're pretty wet. There's that little troll trying to say hi to all of us. And we're going to see a lot of things here that we don't see in a lot of the rest of the Central Valley, such as lots of trees. So you can see some of those trees over there. So I'm using the Seek app to try to figure out what the different plants around us are. And we just found some poison hemlock. We freaked out the ducks that are in this little pond already, and we can hear lots of other birds around here. So all of them are members of phylum Chordata. They're vertebrates. So we got these little cricket locust things over here. Here he is. I hope you can see him. We're pretty excited to find somebody. So this is an insect, a member of phylum Arthropoda. Yeah, can you see him moving around?
Yeah.
There are some other ants on the ground too, which are obviously much more common insects. I don't know if you can make those out whatsoever with my phone camera. So here's another one. This is still green, so no, probably, oh, excuse me. I just had the shade. Thanks, guys.
Step back, Matthew.
I think that this one must be a younger one, probably of the same species. That's going to be my guess, but we can ask Dr. Stahlschmidt and he will tell us. All right, so I've been loud and annoying, but the birds are still making their calls to each other. You can hear back and forth calls. I'll be quiet for a second. So here we have a good view of some of the different plants we have here. We've got willows over there. Way in the background, we can see some oak trees. And then in the foreground, we've got some reeds. And we have grasses, as well as, I'm not sure what, they're members of the carrot family. They're fluffy, they look like carrot tops, but I'm scared to dig them up because we're in a preserve here. So we got some wild mustard over here, and this is really common in California. It came in with the Spanish settlers. Wild mustard is really neat because it's been selected on by humans to be all kinds of other food. So things in the genus Brassica, that includes stuff like cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, kohlrabi, lots of yummy stuff. If you had to guess, would you think that this is a eutrophic or oligotrophic little pond over here? What do you think? Video, but I don't know if you can see the sheep, but this is just an example of having conversion of our wetlands and our grasslands for agricultural purposes. Can you see those sheep? There's like a lot of them over there. This is an alkali sink or scrub habitat, and oh my god, those bushes are filled with birds. It is completely wild. That animal thing. So we got a crane, a bed. Oh my lord, there it goes. Goodbye. Sorry, I think we ruined its lunch. Here's the San Joaquin River. Can you tell us about it, Dr. Dugas? So it meets up with the Calaveras up by our house, right? Up in Stockton?
Yeah, so the Calaveras that goes through UOP flows into the San Joaquin River, and then the San Joaquin River flows up northwards and westwards and joins the San Francisco Bay somewhere around Martinez.
All right, we spotted some invasive water hyacinth. We have this up by campus too. In the later summer, I think, it will grow these gorgeous purple flowers, but unfortunately it kind of chokes out the waterways, impeding water flow and really restricting any kind of water sports.